natural, yeah. Ooh, hey, I'm not in your league. You're gonna be my favorite thing. Ooh, don't care what they say. Feels like ooh, feels like ooh, feels like ooh, feels like ooh, hey.
Hey guys, today I have with me Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. This smartphone offers a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display having a pixel density of 405 ppi and a refresh rate of 120Hz. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you'll find the power button and volume rocker. On top, there is a SIM tray. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, 3.5mm jack and a speaker grill. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G comes with a quad camera setup at the back. On the bottom, you'll see the Samsung branding. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now, let's get into the details about the internals. The Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 770 8G chipset with 6nm fabrication. For multitasking, you'll get 6GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB, which can be further expanded up to 1TB. Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 25-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera specs, the phone features a 64-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 64-megapixel primary camera supported by a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 5-megapixel macro camera and a 5-megapixel depth camera. Also, the phone offers a 32-megapixel front camera. The software version of the Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G is Android 11 with Samsung One UI. So guys, that's it for Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. Thank you so much for watching this.